how to view items in Horror Tale 1. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can see which items you carry. First of all, open the application. Now here on the left top, you can see this bulb icon. Tap on this bulb icon. Now here, these are the items that are available. So here, you'll be able to see each and every items that are available or with you. Now these are also the missions that you must complete. So here you can see the hint, location and where to use. So you must follow these rules and you'll be able to win or move forward in this game. So try using this set of rules or set of instruction and you can move forward in the game. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.